Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'm making this super easy smoky oven baked barbecue ribs. Hopefully you guys enjoy it, but before I show you guys how it's done, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's get started. Okay guys, to begin, I am going to mix all of my dry seasoning together. I'm using about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar in this bowl here. Next, I am going to be adding in some smoked paprika to make it nice and smoky. Keep that in mind. We're adding garlic powder, onion powder, as well as some ground black pepper with salt. Now we're going to give that a nice mix. Also, I am going to be adding in some more seasoning to this. I will have a link down below for you guys of this seasoning. It's very good. Also, if you don't have this seasoning, you can move on with your recipe by just using the dry seasoning that I show you guys. So now, once you have that all mixed together, you are going to start applying it to your ribs. For today's recipe, I'm using baby back ribs. I am going to remove the membrane. That way we can add the seasoning on there. Before I add the seasoning, I am going to be using a spicy Dijon mustard on there as a binder. That way the seasoning can, have something to stick with. We're going to add that on there. You can use regular mustard. I am using spicy Dijon mustard. You can use regular one, like I said. Just rub it all over, very light. You don't have to add too much. And then we can add our seasoning on there. Now, when you are adding the seasoning, make sure you patting the seasoning down instead of rubbing it on. Okay? Now we're going to flip it over and season the other side as well. Now we're just going to keep applying it by layers so we can have a nice flavorful rib once it's done cooking, okay? Now, if you're watching, you haven't subscribed, please join the family. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. I upload maybe 3-4 times a week here. I give you guys ideas on what to cook, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. Now we're getting ready to bake our ribs. I am using a rack, and also I place a baking dish under it. That way, all the sauce, all the juice can fall into that baking dish. We're going to bake this on, it's looking good, right? I did that. I definitely seasoned this from head to toe. So now we're going to bake this on 350 for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Once it's done baking, you are going to take it out. This is what it's looking like so far. Okay, so now we're going to apply our favorite barbecue sauce on there. Now you can use whatever barbecue sauce you like. I really like the flavor of this one. This was actually sent to my husband for his cooking channel, and I've been using it because I so love the flavor. And by the way, this is not sponsored. I will just leave the link down below for you guys. It tastes amazing. So I am going to apply this all over my ribs, and we're going to caramelize it once more in the oven. Now I'm going to flip it over, of course, add more of the sauce. Make sure you add, you know, a generous amount of the sauce because you want this to be nice and saucy. The sauce has a very nice flavor to it, so just make sure you add a good amount. Now we're getting ready to put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes on 350. By the way, I cooked this on the lowest rack of the oven, not on top, the last one actually. So now once it's done, y'all, you can see the juice, you can see the sauce, you can see the water coming out. It was super, I can't talk, super saucy and super juicy. It wasn't overcooked or anything. It wasn't falling off the bone, but it was definitely, you know, cooked. It was nice and tender. I love the outcome. The outcome of this. Now this is what it looks like, y'all. I have to take a bite and show you guys how tender this came out. I love the flavor. I hope you guys try this out for your family. Let me know how you like it. Let me know if you enjoy it. Let me know. Just come back, let me know. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up for me if you did enjoy this quick recipe, and subscribe if you know. I will see you all on the next recipe. Bye guys.